Today I'm going to show you how you can delete Discord server on mobile. This should work on both Android and iOS. So if you want to do it, then you should probably watch this video till the end. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open Discord. Then at the top right corner, click on the three line. Then click on the server that you want to delete. So I'm gonna select this Lana server. Then you'll be able to see the option of settings. Tap on it. Here you can see that there is no any option to delete. So at the top right corner you can see the three dot, tap on it. Here you can see the option to delete server, so click on delete server. And just to make sure, tap on delete. Now you can see that your server has been deleted. Similarly, with this process you'll be able to delete any server that you want. Well, this is it. This was a short tutorial on how you can delete Discord server. I hope this was useful for you. Likewise, if you want to know how you can create your Bet365 account, then you can just click it on the screen right there. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video.